Hi, I'm going to review for you today the TECEVO F3 Freedom Bluetooth stereo earphones, which is a bit of a mouthful and a bit of an earful as well, I suppose. I got these because I listen to podcasts and I get frustrated with constantly having to untangle about 3 feet of cable every time. So the great thing about Bluetooth headphones is obviously there's much less cable and no plugging in required. They just pop round your head like that, and then you connect it to your Bluetooth media device. So the setup was very easy. It connected straight away. Some devices have problem, but this one didn't. I won't go through that because you all know how to do that these days. I like the design. It's all encased or all encompassed in the actual headphones themselves, rather than having a separate transceiver, which some of them do. I don't really see the point of that. So yeah, it's all neat. Pretty small, and I must say that they seem to stay in my ears when I'm walking along pretty well, which I guess is pretty ear dependent, and I'm planning on keeping my ears, so you'll have to try them out in your own. When listening to podcasts, obviously you've got the issue being wireless, that there is a chance of it dropping out. It does occasionally have glitches, no more than like half a second here or there, so it doesn't stop me using them, so that's pretty good. On the side of one of the earpieces, there's the controls. You can see just about see the rocker switch on the side for the volume control, and then on the front you've got a multi-function button. There's a little LED down here as well, which you can't see at the moment. So this is what you use to connect to Bluetooth, end calls, etc. It's also supposed to work as a media control device, so for pausing media, for instance. Although on my phone I've got the HTC One S, it doesn't seem to pause playback. I haven't really looked into that. It's a bit of a shame because it's really handy to be able to just pause it on the device itself, rather than having to get your phone out, unlock it and all that gubbins. So that's just one little annoyance. And the second one is on the side here. They advertise this as a micro USB connector for charging. It's not a standard micro USB connector, so unfortunately it doesn't mean you can charge it with any old cable lying around, which you probably have dozens of at the moment. I've had a quick search on the internet and discovered it is in fact, as you probably already know, the UC-E6 connector, one of my favourites. So I think, although it's proprietary, I think you can probably get hold of some cables to charge it for a few quid if you want to spare one that's at work or somewhere else, which I think is pretty essential if you're using a device like this, which is only going to last a couple of hours playback. So overall, I'd give these 3 stars. I paid 30 quid for them, which I think is quite reasonable, although I noticed that on Amazon they're charging them, I think, back at £70, and I probably wouldn't pay that much for them. But at 30 quid, 3 stars, I'd recommend checking them out if you're looking for something like this. Okay, thank you.